Hello friends! Before we dive in, if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me. Now, let's get into it.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to fix battery problems on your iPhone and make it last longer throughout the day. If your iPhone battery drains too quickly or isn't holding charge well, this video is for you. First, let's talk about common battery problems you might face. Your iPhone battery may drain fast, sometimes shut down unexpectedly, or the battery percentage might jump up and down. These issues can happen due to software glitches, background apps consuming power, or even an aging battery. Now, here are some quick fixes you can try right away. 1. Close background apps you're not using. Double tap the home button or swipe up and swipe away apps. 2. Turn off unnecessary features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or location services when you don't need them. 3. Reduce screen brightness or turn on auto brightness from settings. 4. Enable low power mode from settings, battery to extend battery life. 5. Restart your iPhone to refresh the system and fix minor bugs. If basic fixes don't work, try these advanced steps. 1. Check battery health. Go to Settings, Battery Health. If your maximum capacity is below 80%, your battery may need replacing. 2. Update iOS. Sometimes software updates include important battery optimizations. 3. Disable background app refresh in Settings, General, Background app refresh. 4. Turn off push email and set fetch intervals to manual or longer periods. 5. Reset all settings if battery issues persist, but remember this resets Wi-Fi passwords and preferences. If your battery health is poor or your phone still drains fast after trying everything, it might be time to replace the battery. Apple offers battery replacement services, or you can visit authorized repair centers. A new battery can bring your iPhone back to life and save you from constantly charging it.
That's it for today's tips on fixing iPhone battery problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.